Happy Halloween! Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. It is almost one of my favorite holidays of the whole year, Halloween, because let's be real, it's all about the candy and the chocolate bars. Thinking back to my childhood during Halloween, when my sister and I used to go out trick-or-treating, I would always sneak into her room when she was unsuspecting, sneak out all of my favorite chocolate bars and replace them with the Tootsie Rolls or the lollipops or any of the crap that nobody really cares about or wants. And my go-to was definitely those mini Snickers bars. Those are one of my favorite chocolate bars of all time because I love the combination of nougat and peanuts and caramel and of course chocolate. So today I want to share with you a healthier version. These are my vegan, gluten-free, no refined sugar added Snickers bars. They are so addictive that you're definitely not gonna wanna just wait till Halloween. You're gonna wanna make these all year long. So let's do this. To make the nougat, I add some almond flour, peanut butter, maple syrup, some gluten-free oat flour, and some coconut oil to a food processor, and I process that until it gets really smooth. Then to my baking dish, I add some parchment paper, and then I pack the nougat into the bottom of the baking dish. Transfer that to the freezer to let it set up for about 10 minutes. Then to a sauce pot, I add some medjool dates, some maple syrup, and some coconut cream, and I simmer that on a medium-low heat until it all comes together. Then transfer the dates to my food processor and puree until super smooth. Next, I mix my date mixture with some chopped up peanuts and give it a good stir until it all comes together. Now it's time to assemble. To my frozen nougat, I add my date caramel with peanuts and I smooth it out. Then I transfer that to the freezer for about an hour to set up. And now it's time for some chocolate. I cut my slab into some rectangular bars and then carefully dip it into some melted chocolate that I melted in the microwave with just a little bit of coconut oil. Let it set on a piece of parchment paper and enjoy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with what kind of candy bar you are going to be stealing from your kids' candy bags. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!